Ready to boost your English while tackling real-life situations? Welcome to MA English, where learning comes to life through everyday conversations. In today's video, we'll be stepping into the bank for a practical English conversation that will sharpen your speaking and listening skills. After that, we'll head to the whiteboard to break down the key words and phrases, making sure you fully understand them. If you're ready to improve your English with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more engaging lessons. Let's dive in.
Hello. Welcome to First Community Bank. My name is Sally. How can I help you today?
Hi, Sally. I'm John. I'm new to the area, and I'm thinking about opening a new account here. Could you walk me through the process?
Of course, John. We're happy to have you here. So, opening a new account is pretty simple. We offer several types of accounts depending on your needs. Are you looking for a checking account, a savings account, or perhaps both?
I'm not entirely sure. Could you tell me a bit more about the difference between a checking account and a savings account?
Sure thing. A checking account is great for everyday use. It allows you to easily access your money through your debit card, write checks, and pay bills. There's usually no limit on how many transactions you can make per month. A savings account, on the other hand, is designed to help you save money. You can still withdraw money when needed, but it's more limited in terms of monthly transactions. The benefit of a savings account is that you'll earn interest on the money you keep in there.
I see. I think I would need both because I like to keep my spending and savings separate. Is that common?
Absolutely. Many of our customers open both types of accounts for that exact reason. It's a smart way to manage your finances. We can set up both accounts for you today if you'd like.
That sounds perfect. What do I need to bring with me to open the accounts?
Great. To open an account, we'll need a few things. First, we'll need a government-issued ID, such as your driver's license or passport, and proof of address, which can be something like a utility bill. Lastly, we'll need your social security number for verification.
Okay, I have all of that with me. Once I open the account, how do I manage it? Is there a way to do it online?
Yes, we offer online banking for all of our customers. Once your account is set up, I can help you register for online banking. It's really convenient. You can check your balances, transfer money, pay bills, and even set up automatic payments, all from your computer or phone.
That sounds handy. How do I register for online banking?
Once your account is created, I'll guide you through the registration process. You'll just need to create a username and password. After that, you'll have full access to your account 24/7.
Cool. I'm definitely interested in that. What about mobile banking? Do you have an app?
Yes, we have a mobile banking app that you can download for free. It has all the features of online banking, but it's designed for your phone or tablet. You can deposit checks, transfer funds, view your statements, and even set up alerts to track your spending.
Nice. Now, I've been thinking about getting a credit card too. Do you offer credit cards here?
We do. We have a few different credit card options depending on your needs. For example, we have a standard card with no annual fee, a rewards card that lets you earn points on every purchase, and a cashback card where you get a percentage back on certain purchases, like groceries or gas. Is there a particular type of card you're looking for?
I think I'd be interested in the rewards card. How do I apply?
Applying is simple. Once your accounts are set up, I can help you with the credit card application. We'll look at your credit history to see what limit you qualify for, and we'll go from there. The process usually takes just a few minutes.
That's great. I might go for the rewards card then. Are there any fees I should be aware of?
Good question. For checking accounts, we do have a monthly maintenance fee, but you can avoid it by keeping a minimum balance or setting up direct deposit. As for the credit cards, the rewards card has an annual fee, but if you use it frequently and earn points, it's worth it. There's no annual fee for our basic card, though.
That makes sense. I'll think about which card works best for me. Another thing, how do I handle money transfers? I often need to send money back home to my family.
No problem. We offer a few different money transfer services. For domestic transfers, you can do it easily through online banking or by visiting a branch. For international transfers, we use services like Swift to send money overseas. There's a small fee depending on where you're sending the money and how fast you need it to arrive.
That's good to know. And I can do this online too?
Yes, you can. With online banking, you can set up and track both domestic and international transfers. It's very user-friendly. You just need the recipient's account details and the bank's SWIFT code for international transfers.
Awesome. I feel like you guys have everything covered here.
We try our best. Is there anything else you're curious about?
Actually, yes. I was wondering about setting up direct deposit for my paycheck. How do I do that?
It's really easy. Once your checking account is open, you'll need to give your employer your bank's routing number and your new account number. You can find those details on your checks or within your online banking account. Your employer will handle the rest, and your paycheck will automatically be deposited into your account on payday.
That sounds like the way to go. I think direct deposit would make everything easier for me.
It really does simplify things. And you can even set up automatic transfers between your checking and savings accounts if you want to set aside a certain amount each month for savings.
That's definitely something I'd like to do. It'll help me save without having to think about it.
Exactly. It's a great habit to get into. You can schedule the transfers yourself, and if you ever need to adjust the amount or the schedule, you can do it right from your online banking account.
You've answered all my questions, Sally. I feel like I'm in good hands here. What's the next step?
I'm so glad to hear that, John. Next, we'll get your account set up, and I'll walk you through the rest. After that, I'll help you register for online banking and provide you with information on our credit cards and transfer services. You'll be all set.
That sounds great. Thanks so much for your help today.
You're very welcome. I'm here to help anytime. Let's get started with those accounts now, and we'll have you set up in no time.
Now that we've followed John on his journey to set up his banking services, let's take a moment to go over some important words and phrases that might be new to you. Understanding these will not only help you get more out of the conversation but also expand your vocabulary, especially when it comes to handling everyday banking and financial matters. Here are the key words and phrases from John's visit to the bank. 1. Checking account. Explanation: a type of bank account that allows you to deposit and withdraw money easily. It's usually used for daily transactions like paying bills, using a debit card, and writing checks. Example from the conversation: Sally says, "A checking account is great for everyday use. It allows you to easily access your money through your debit card, write checks, and pay bills." 2. Savings account. Explanation: a bank account used primarily for saving money. It typically earns interest, meaning the bank pays you for keeping your money with them, but it has limits on the number of withdrawals you can make each month. Example from the conversation, Sally explains, a savings account is designed to help you save money. The benefit is that you'll earn interest on the money you keep in there. 3. Online banking. Explanation: the ability to manage your bank accounts via the internet. With online banking, you can check your balance, transfer money, pay bills, and more, all from your computer or mobile device. Example from the conversation, Sally says, with online banking, you can check your balances, transfer money, pay bills, and even set up automatic payments, all from your computer or phone. 4. Credit card. Explanation: a card issued by a bank that allows you to borrow money to make purchases. You pay the money back later, usually with interest, unless you pay the full balance by the due date. Example from the conversation, John asks, what about a credit card? Do you offer credit cards here? 5. Rewards card. Explanation: a type of credit card that allows you to earn points, miles, or cash back on your purchases. The rewards can often be redeemed for travel, shopping, or cash. Example from the conversation, Sally mentions, we have a rewards card that lets you earn points on every purchase. 6. Direct deposit. Explanation: a way to have your paycheck or other payments automatically deposited into your bank account without needing to physically deposit a check. Example from the conversation, Sally explains, you'll need to give your employer your bank's routing number and your new account number. Your paycheck will automatically be deposited into your account. 7. Money transfer. Explanation: the act of sending money from one bank account to another. This can be done domestically, within the same country, or internationally, to a different country. Example from the conversation, John asks, how do I handle money transfers? I often need to send money back home to my family. 8. Swift code. Explanation: an international code that identifies banks across the world. It's used for sending money internationally to ensure the funds reach the correct bank. Example from the conversation, Sally explains, for international transfers, we use services like Swift to send money overseas. 9. Routing number. Explanation: a unique number assigned to each bank in the United States. It helps identify the bank involved in the transaction and is used for things like setting up direct deposits. Example from the conversation, Sally says, you'll need to give your employer your bank's routing number and your new account number. 10. Automatic transfer. Explanation: a feature that allows you to schedule regular transfers of money between your accounts, like moving a set amount from your checking account to your savings account each month. Example from the conversation, Sally says, you can even set up automatic transfers between your checking and savings accounts if you want to set aside a certain amount each month for savings.